We are getting a good look at Uber's finances. This as the company gets ready to go public. Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more on this. And Hayley, the company has racked up some pretty big losses.
That's right. We're looking at about $10 billion in losses over the last 10 years. But that's something investors seem to be okay with so long as tech companies are bringing in a lot of revenue. And if we have a look at last year, Uber drew in about $11.3 billion in revenue, but that came with $1.9 billion in losses. And for some context on that, that's double the losses that Lyft saw last year, but about 5 times the revenue. Overall, most of that coming from ride-sharing services, although we know the company is going to focus on expanding services like Uber Eats. One final stat, in the fourth quarter of last year, Uber delivered 1.5 billion rides. That's 500 million rides a month. They really do have a lot of dominance in this space.
All right, and you're also following a story about a possible $10 billion deal involving Vancouver-based Goldcorp.
That's right. It's almost at the finish line on this one. Shareholders of Newmont Mining, based in the U.S., have voted overwhelmingly in favor of a $10 billion acquisition of Vancouver's Goldcorp. Last week, Goldcorp shareholders also voted overwhelmingly in favor of this deal. The final hurdle that it has to cross is clearance under the Investment Canada Act. Overall, we know that Vancouver offices will be maintained and they'll actually become the new headquarters for all North American operations of this new venture, which will be named Newmont Goldcorp.
All right. Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver on this Friday morning. Hayley, thank you so much.
Thanks, Sonia.